Welcome. This is Cambridge IGCSE International Mathematics 0607, October November 2020, paper 22. A quadrilateral has a rotational symmetry of order 2, two lines of symmetry. Angles are not right angles, so it has to be a quadrilateral of, that is, a rhombus. So I'm trying to draw a rhombus over there, and you can see that the rhombus, when what it says, rotational symmetry 2 means when I rotate 90 degrees it doesn't look the same, 180 degrees it looks the same, for 270 it does not look the same, for 360 it is back the same way, and it should have two lines of symmetry. You can see that this is one line of symmetry and another line of symmetry, and all the angles are not 90 degrees, so it has to be a rhombus. Next one, exact value 2 times 9, 18, 18 plus 7 divided by 9 square root, which is square root 25 upon 9, which is 5 upon 3, plus or minus, or you can write 1, 2 upon 3 plus or minus. Now these are the first four terms of the sequence, write the next term. So we can see that the difference is going to be nothing but how much? 8 minus 8 minus 8, negative 8. So negative 8, 3 minus negative 8 is negative 5. Find an expression. So for that, a plus n minus 1 times t. A is 27 first term, n minus 1 times common difference is negative 8. 27 minus 8n plus 8. So it becomes 35 minus 8n. Then 64 can be written as 4 power 3 whole power minus 2 upon 3. 3 cancels. 4 power negative 2. 1 upon 4 square. So answer is 1 upon 16. He's asking us to find the value of V. Plug in 5 plus A times A is minus 3 times 4, which is 5 minus 12, which is negative 7. He's asking us to find the area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region is area of the circle minus area of the rectangle. So for getting the area of the circle, I need to know the radius. So join the diagonal, that's going to be the diameter, square root of 8 square plus 6 square, which is 10. So area of a circle is pi r square, radius is 10 upon 2 whole square, minus area of the rectangle is 8 times 6. So which is going to be 25 pi minus 48, because he's asking in terms of pi. 5 numbers have a mean of 12. So sum of 5 numbers divided by 5 equals to 12. So what will be sum of 5 numbers? Sum of 5 numbers will be 60. Then the sixth number is included, the mean is 9. So sum of 6 numbers divided by 6 equals to 9. So sum of 6 numbers will become 54. So what will be the sixth number? Sixth number will be sum of 6 numbers minus sum of 5 numbers, which is 54 minus 60, which is negative 6. Write return to 540 as prime factorization like this. Write 360 in terms of prime factor. 360 is 2 times 180. 180 can be written as 2 times 90. 90 can be written as 2 times 45. 45 can be written as 3 times 15. 15 can be written as 3 times 5. So what is that? It is 2 cube times 3 square times 5. Find the highest common factor for 540 and 360. So 540, 360 divide 360 times 1 is 360, 180. Again bring down the 360. 180 times 2 is 360. So I get the remainder 0. So whenever I get the remainder 0, that's going to be the highest common factor, 180. 540n is a cube number. Find the smallest possible value of n. 540 is nothing but how much? 2 square times 3 cube times 5. So it is a cube number. So it should be multiplied with 2 to become 2 cube. And it is already 3 cube. It is already 3 cube. So no need to multiply. This one remains as it is. And 5 should be multiplied with 5 square to become 5 cube. So which is the smallest number I should be multiplying with? 2 and 5 square, which is nothing but what? 50 is the smallest number which I should be multiplying with. Payne records the color of each of 200 cars passing his home. Write down the relative frequency of the silver car, which is 23 upon 200. Explain why it is reasonable to use part A as a possibility that the next car which passes will be a silver. Because we are using a large data, as we are using a large sample. If at all it is with a small sample, it is not possible. When the large sample is there, the prediction becomes much more meaningful. Over the whole 1200 vehicles pass Page's home, estimate the number of cars that are silver. 1200 times 23 upon 200. So which will become nothing but how much? 138. Factorize. 1 factors, this is 1. 1 factors are 1 and 1. 6 factors are 3 and 2. Do the cross multiplication, it becomes 3, 2. I want the middle number, which is minus 1. So 3 minus 3 plus 2. It should be negative 3 plus 2. So it is x over here, x over here. So x minus 3 and x plus 2. Next time, take x common from here, 3a plus 2b. Then take 2y common from here, negative 2y common here, 3a plus 2b. Take 3a plus 2b common. So what does that becomes? X minus 2y. Next question number 11. Shade A union B. A union B means total A and B. A intersection B whole complement means out of A intersection B. Don't shade A intersection B. This is going to be the answer. In this Venn diagram, the number of elements in the each subset is shown. Now find the number of elements in P plus Q intersection R. Q intersection R are what? 3, 6. And add P also. What are the elements in P? 12, 4, 5. So 12 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 6. 16, 21, 24, and it's going to be 30. Now P plus P union Q and outside of R. It should be P union Q. What are the numbers in P union Q? These are the numbers in P union Q. But it should be outside of R. So whatever the numbers are there, it should be outside of R. So these numbers should be taken away. So what are the numbers only I'm left over with? 12 plus 4 plus 7, which is nothing but what? 23. Next one. Points ABCD lies on a circle. PCQ is a tangent. ABC is 110. BAC is 30. Find angle ADC. ADC. This angle, it is equals to 70 because sum of opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. ACP. ACP also equals to 30 degrees. What is ACP? ACP is also equals to 70 degrees because alternate segment theorem. Angle in the alternate segment theorem, these two angles will be same. It's just like this. There is a circle. I draw a chord and I draw a tangent and I join it out over here at any point in the alternate segment. The angle between the chord and the tangent is equal to angle in the alternate segment. Then angle PCB is asking us to find it out. Angle PCB. This time I am going to take this angle between the chord and the tangent is equal to angle in the alternate segment over here. So it's going to be 30 degrees. Then log base 3, 9 to the power of minus 1. So log base 3, 3 to the power of 2, whole power minus 1. Log 3 to the power of negative 2, base 3. So negative 2 comes front, log 3 to the base 3. So answer is going to be negative 2. Now it becomes log x plus log 5 square equals to log 15. So log 25x equals to log 15. Log gets cancels. 25x equals to 15. x equals to 15 upon 25. So which is 15 upon 25, which is 3 upon 5. A rectangular piece of paper has sides A and B. The paper is cut in half. The ratio of the lengths of the longer side to the length of the shorter side in both the pieces is the same. Calculate the what it says A in terms of B. It is A upon 2 and this is B. Now the ratio of the length of the longer side to the length of the shorter side of the both the pieces. So A upon B in the first one equals to nothing but what? Longer side is B and the shorter side will become A upon 2 because he's asking longer by shorter. In the first one it was A upon B and in the second one is B upon A upon 2. So cross multiplication A square upon 2 equals to B square. So A square equals to 2B square. So A equals to B root 2. Find the square root on both sides. It becomes A equals to B root 2. So that completes the paper. See you in the next paper. Bye.